last class we have discussed introduction about the measurements, right? Measurements, we have measurements of length we have discussed. Like I have explained about the handspan. Handspan means this particular area, right? If I cover this is called handspan, one handspan. This is two handspan, like that we have discussed. Then finger width is also there. Finger width means this much. See here, this is my finger width, right? This is 1, then this is 2, like that I can make it. Then cubit also we have discussed in the cubit means from this finger to the toe, right? Here, this is my cubit. This one is a 1 cubit. Then it's a 2 cubit, like that I can make. And you can see my foot, right? See, this is 1 foot. This is my foot span. See, I am making measurements. See, 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, like that. This is foot. Then a pace measurement is also there. Pace means just a step. See, 1, 2 pace, 3 pace, 4 pace. Like this, different way we can measure it. After I have given the introduction, I am continuing with that, right? Different way we can measure it. Why we are not? That is a non-standardized measurement, right? We are measuring with a finger width, hand span, cubit, foot span, pace, but it is not a standardized one. Why it is this? Because my length is different from your length, right? Foot is different. Size of the foot is different. So we can't say generally that this blackboard is having some 20 foot distance. We can't say, because if you come and measure, it may be 30. So it differs. That is why we should not go for the non-standardized units. We have gone for a standardized unit. Standardized unit means millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer. All these are standardized unit. Millimeter, if you see, it's a small. See here in this tape. This is a millimeter, 1 millimeter. See here, this small line is coming, right? This is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally, this is 1 centimeter. Means 10 millimeter. If 10 millimeter together gives the 1 centimeter, right? Measurement we used to take like this. This standardized measurement. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, in kilometers. Even in the bus you would have heard from your father or from your uncle, either kilometer far, like that they would have said, right? This much, how far the distance is that? 150 kilometer, 200 kilometer, like that you would have discussed. Here, that is the kilometer means it is lengthiest one. For the long distance, we have to go for the kilometers. If you have a small distance, like I want to measure this eraser. I need not to go for the kilometers. Kilometers and length is one, long one, right? I can go for the millimeters. See here, let us check the measurement of this eraser. How much is it? 1, 2, 3, 3.5. So, the length of the eraser is, I can say 3.5 centimeter. I can say 3.5 centimeter, or in millimeter if I want, I can say 35 millimeter. Right? You have seen just now. See here, you count, start counting that millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count it, 20, 30, 35. Till 35 it is coming. Right? Millimeter is smaller unit. Centimeter is a bigger one than the millimeter. Then the meter comes. Meter is more than this. Like this, step by step you can have it. Right? Millimeter, centimeter, meter, goes on like this. Kilometer. But actually in between you get more. That you will study in the next class. Millimeter, after the centimeter, after the decimeter you will get, then meter, then megameter, hectometer, then kilometer you get. That you will understand in the next classes. Right? This you have to know. Millimeter is the smaller one. Centimeter, meter, kilometer. Now, let us measure the length of this blackboard. Nandini ma'am will come and measure with a pencil now. Just check it. Height we will measure first. We will measure the height of the blackboard. 1. How much pencil? 2, 3, 4, 5, seven pencils we said, right? Now let's measure with the scale. Scale is having a 30 centimeters, right? So 30 centimeter scale.
1, 2, 3 and 4.
Yeah. Scale is 4. Now madam will measure with the pen. She will measure the height of the blackboard with a pen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9.
5. So pen, she said it is 9. Pencil, she measured. She got a 7 pencil for this height. And with the scale is 30 centimeter scale. Right? 4 scale distance she got it for this height. Then with the pen she got 9. So from this also we can understand, even any scale you take, it is 30 centimeter only you will get. Right? Whereas if you take up a pencil, you can have a full new pencil or a half worked pencil, anything you can take. That thing, this will differ. For one pencil you will get 7, another pencil you will get 12. It is like that. It varies. So this is not a proper measurement. Right? We should not go for a non-standardized one. And see, similarly, pen if you take up, it's a 3 rupees Sino pen. If you take some other Parker pen or some other cello pen, it is different. Definitely in that pen, you will not get the same 9 pens, right? You may get 7 or 6. So we can't standardize the measurement with this also. That is what to standardize the measurement. We have gone for the millimeter, centimeter, meter, kilometer, all these things. That's what we have gone. Why we are studying this to understand, right? Now let's see how we are going to study this. Let me take a ribbon now. Now madam will measure the length of the ribbon with a standardized measurement. Now the length of the ribbon is
55.
length of the ribbon is
53.5.
53.5 ribbon. 53.5 centimeter. She has said that in the centimeter. Now you just take your book, your book, right, in your book. Activity 1 is inside the class you have to do, right, with the finger width, hand span, cubit. They have informed you to measure the length of your class table. So what you have to do is, you can get the help of your mother, father or brothers and sister and do with this, right, with their finger width you can do, with the hand span you can do, with the cubit you can do. You know what is finger width? Finger width is this, hand span is this, right, cubit means this, right, from here to here is a cubit, hand span is this is the hand span, and finger width is this much, you know. Here you can see it, right, all is written here. So you are getting the help of your family and try to fill this, do this activity, right. Similarly, ribbon, just now Nandini madam has measured. You take up any ribbon in your home and try to do this activity with the help of your family. Okay. Now the activity 4. Activity 4 is, you have to do any kind of, they have said the length of the blackboard. Instead, you take your window in your home, right? You can't get the blackboard in your home. So instead, you take a window of your home and measure the length. With the same thing, with a pencil, with the eraser you have, pencil you may have, and scale you will be having it, and the notebook. Any notebook you take it in your home and you have to measure it and say. Okay? You yourself, your mother, everybody, right? They have to do. No need to go for 5, at least 2 or 3. You measure it and check it. Just now we have discussed this measurement of length, everything we have discussed, standard, non-standard we have discussed now, right? I said already, millimeter is smaller one, then centimeter, then meter, then kilometer comes. In the scale I have shown you, right? Here I have, in the tape I have shown you, the same thing is written here. See, this one is the millimeter, right? You have it here. This one is the millimeter, and this one 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. That we have seen it in the tape also. Fine. Then you are doing with the activity 5. So your activity 5, what you have to do is, you have to measure the length of the ribbon by a tape roll. If you have a tape roll in your home like this, you try to measure it and do the activity. And you are going to practice this. This is a chalk piece, this is a pad, this is your pencil box, this is the eraser, it's a pencil. All these things you are doing an activity in your home. Right? Similarly, now Nandini madam will measure the height of the tree, height of this banana tree with a tape, right? Let us check what she is getting.
1 meter 52 centimeter. One meter
And
52.
she got it. 1 meter and 52 centimeter. So the height of the banana tree is this much. Similarly, you can check the height of the coconut tree. You can't say that in the millimeter or centimeter, right? You have to measure it either in the meter, right? Or decameter, decimeter. Nandini madam will measure the length of the table using the tape.
I got 121.5 centimeter.
She got 121.5 centimeter. Similarly, in your activity 6, you check it. She got 121.5 centimeter. And what is the next in the activity 6? It is a door, right? Entrance of the classroom. Entrance of the classroom, the width and height she has to measure. Now, the height of the classroom entrance. She is measuring.
I got 1 centimeter 93 1 meter,
1 meter.
93 centimeter.
1 meter and 93 centimeter.
Centimeter.
She got it. Right. Now, as in your activity 6, Nandini madam is measuring the length of the blackboard in meters. She will say
3 meter and 5 centimeter.
okay, it's a 3 meter and 5 centimeter. Right? See, because blackboard is long, right? We are going for blackboard was somewhat bigger, right? That's what we are going for. How much she said? 3 meter. Anandi madam, how much you got it? 3
3
meter?
meter and 90
centimeter.
90.
Right. This is for the blackboard. And for table, how much she got? She got 1 meter and 21 centimeter for the table. Similarly, entrance of the class. Entrance height, how much you got?
1 meter 93
1 meter
and
and 93 centimeter she got. Right? See? We have discussed about the millimeter, but now I am going for the centimeter and meter. You check it, this difference you have to understand. Right? We have gone for the centimeter and meter. Why we are going for this more than the millimeter? The reason is millimeter is a small unit. It's a very, very small unit. It's a line. This is a millimeter. A line is a millimeter. Whereas centimeter means 10 lines together will make a centimeter. Similarly, this is 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter, right? Then meter, how the meter comes? 100 centimeter will make a 1 meter. It is in your book, you can check it, right? 100 centimeter will make 1 meter. That is what from the smaller unit we are going to the bigger one. So check your book. Now in your book, see here, try this, it's written. My pencil is 6 watt long. Whether you are going to put a millimeter or centimeter or meter or kilometer, watt, guess, because we know that pencil is small, even we can go with a centimeter. That's enough, right? Centimeter you can say. It may be how much it may be 17, right? 17 centimeter you can say. You should not write a meter or millimeter. Instead 17 centimeter you can write. Whereas if you go for a tree, just now Nandini madam has measured a tree, banana tree height, right? This tree is 3 what height? You have to say meter, not the centimeter, not the millimeter, because the length of the banana or height of the banana tree is more. That's what we are going for, the meter. Then height of the coconut tree is 15 watt. You should not say millimeter or centimeter. Instead you have to go for a meter, because the height of the coconut tree is more than that, right? More than a small units. Fine. So what you have to do is you have to fill this. Which one is smaller, which one is bigger? I have explained, so you have to fill it. Centimeter, meter. Which is bigger? Meter is more. Centimeter is small. Similarly, meter, kilometer. Which is big? Kilometer is more, meter is small. Kilometer, centimeter, which is big? Kilometer is more, centimeter is small. So you have to greater and lesser symbol you have to put it here. Then activity 7, you can do it in your home. You may have a bat, door, ladder in your home, pen in your home. All these things you will be having in your home. So you try this activity, and today's homework, yes, you have to complete this. It's very simple, right? Circle the odd one. See, you can check it here. Millimeter, centimeter, meter, cubit. All these are standardized unit, right? Whereas cubit is a non-standardized unit. So you can mark it. You have to circle the odd one. Whereas next one, fill in the blanks. See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And 3 meter is equal to, obvious, 3 into 100. 2 meter is equal to 2 into 100. 4 meters is equal to how much centimeter? 4 into 100 centimeters. Because just before we have discussed, right, 100 centimeter is equal to 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Just before we have discussed, the same thing we have to multiply. Right? Match the following next one. So what is written here? 10 millimeter, 100 centimeter and 1000 meter. So you can easily match. 10 millimeter is 1 centimeter we know, 100 centimeter is 1 meter we know, and 1000 meter is 1 kilometer we know. Right? You can easily match this. Then non-standardized unit, in the class we have discussed, it is finger span, then foot span, pace, hand span, cubit, all these things you can put it here. Standard unit, you can go for a millimeter, centimeter, meter, decameter, decimeter, kilometer, all these things you can fill it here. Write in short form. Millimeter, right? Millimeter we used to write like this, m. Whereas meter we used to go for m. Centimeter in a short form we will do like this. Kilometer in short form, k, m we used to do. Fine. Then ascending order and descending order you have to write. Ascending order. So from ascending means smaller to bigger. You know it very well. So millimeter is the small one, then a centimeter, then a meter, then a kilometer. Then descending order you have to write. You have to go from the higher to the lower. So first is the kilometer, then meter, then centimeter, then millimeter. Okay kids. So today we have completed the measurement chapter. Right? This is your homework. Today you have to complete in your book as well as in your note. Okay. Right. Thank you.